We found this hummingbird outside of our door flying around, and he's okay. He's alive, and he drank some nectar.
We've been having king tides and really stormy weather.
And we're gonna let him sleep over at our place tonight, and then tomorrow we'll let him out when it's not so stormy. I think his nest got blown away, but he seems content.
I think he's one of our regular hummingbirds that comes and eats at our. I think he is. I think he goes to that tree and maybe his nest got blown down.
Mom.
You know, I guarantee it got blown down.
He just knows.
He's blinking.
Hey, Mom.
So let's get.
Yep. Go, little buddy.